Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Daily Talk English. I am Jack, and I am so happy to see you here today. Aha, yes, you, the one who is watching this video right now. You made a great choice today, because today's lesson is so important. Like, seriously important.
And I am Emma. Hi, everyone. Oh my God, Jack, I am so excited about today's topic.
Me too, Emma. Me too. Okay, so before we start, if you are new here, welcome to our channel. Daily Talk English is the place where we learn English for real life. Not difficult grammar, not boring textbooks, just simple, easy, fun English that you can use every single day.
Yes, and we post new videos every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So there is always something new for you here.
Yes, we are very hardworking. Okay. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever been in this situation? Someone speaks English to you, and you have absolutely no idea what they just said.
Oh, yes. This happens so much.
Right? Like the person is talking and you are just standing there, smiling, nodding your head, and inside you are thinking, what is this person saying?
Yes, you just smile and say yes, but you understood nothing.
Exactly. And then sometimes the person asks you a question and you say yes, but actually the answer was no. So embarrassing.
Oh no, that is so relatable.
So today we are going to fix this problem forever. Today we are teaching you exactly what to say when you do not understand English. Simple phrases, easy sentences that you can use right away in real life.
And we have divided today's lesson into two parts so it's easy to follow.
Yes. Part 1, we will teach you polite phrases to say when you don't understand. In Part 2, we will teach you how to ask someone to repeat or explain in a better way.
So you will never be stuck again.
Never, ever. Okay, but first, if you are finding this helpful, please hit that like button right now. It really helps our channel grow, and it tells us that you want more videos like this.
And subscribe. Press that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. We post 5 days a week, so press that bell, okay?
Yes, please. Okay, are you ready? Let us go. Okay, everyone, welcome to Part 1. And Part 1 is called Simple Polite Phrases to Say When You Don't Understand.
Yes, so these are very easy phrases. Very short, very simple, and very polite. You can use these anywhere, with anyone, at any time.
Exactly. Now, the most important thing first. When you don't understand someone, do not just say nothing. Do not just smile and nod, because that can cause big problems.
Yes, like Jack said earlier, you say yes, but the answer was no.
Exactly. So, always say something, and we are going to teach you exactly what to say. Okay, phrase number 1.
Phrase number 1 is, sorry, I didn't understand.
Sorry, I didn't understand. Say it with me, everyone. Sorry, I didn't understand.
Very good. Now, this is the most basic and most useful phrase. It is polite, it is simple, and everyone will understand it.
Yes. Let us hear it in a situation. Imagine you are at a shop. The shopkeeper says something to you in English. You don't understand. So you say,
Sorry, I didn't understand.
simple, easy. And the shopkeeper will immediately know, okay, let me say it differently.
Exactly. Now, let us look at phrase number 2.
Phrase number 2 is, sorry, can you say that again?
Sorry, can you say that again? Everyone say it. Sorry, can you say that again?
Very good. Now, this phrase is also very polite and very simple. You are asking the person, please say that one more time.
Yes, and the word sorry at the beginning, it makes it very polite. Always a good idea to say sorry first.
Yes, in English, sorry is like a magic word. It makes everything more polite.
So true. Okay, let us use this in a situation. Imagine your English teacher says something fast. You don't catch it. So you say,
Sorry, can you say that again?
and the teacher will repeat it for you. Easy.
Perfect. Okay, phrase number 3.
Phrase number 3 is, sorry, I don't follow you.
Sorry, I don't follow you. Say it. Sorry, I don't follow you.
Now, I don't follow you. This does not mean I am not walking behind you.
Yes, very important. I don't follow you in English means I don't understand what you are saying.
Yes, it is a very natural English expression. Native speakers use this all the time.
Exactly. So when someone says something confusing, you can say, Sorry, I don't follow you, and they will explain better.
Let us use it in a situation. Imagine your colleague at work explains something complicated. You are lost. So you say,
Sorry, I don't follow you. Can you explain again?
perfect. 2 phrases together, even better.
Yes, gold star for that. Okay, moving on. Phrase number 4.
Phrase number 4 is, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Everyone, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Now, I didn't catch that. This also does not mean I didn't catch a ball.
No cricket here. I didn't catch that means I didn't hear or understand what you said.
Yes, this is a very common phrase. Very natural, very easy to use.
Exactly. And it is a little more casual, so you can use it with friends, with colleagues, in everyday situations.
Let us use it. Imagine you are on a phone call. The other person says something, but the line is not clear. So you say,
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat, please?
and they will repeat. Simple.
Beautiful. Okay, we have one more phrase in part 1. Phrase number 5.
Phrase number 5 is, could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please? Say it with me. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Now, this phrase is very, very important for beginners.
Yes, because sometimes the problem is not that you don't know the words. The problem is the person is speaking too fast.
Exactly. Native English speakers, they speak so fast sometimes.
Yes, it is like, are you speaking English or is that a different language?
So true. So when someone speaks too fast, just say, could you speak more slowly, please?
And most people, they will slow down for you. No problem at all.
Yes. People are generally very kind. They want to help you understand. So do not be shy. Just ask.
Exactly. Never be shy. Asking is always better than not understanding.
Yes. Okay, so let us quickly review all 5 phrases from part 1.
Yes. Phrase 1. Sorry, I didn't understand. Phrase 2. Sorry, can you say that again? Phrase 3. Sorry, I don't follow you. Phrase 4. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. And phrase 5. Could you speak more slowly, please?
5 beautiful phrases. Easy to remember, easy to use.
And all of them are polite, so you can use them with anyone. Your teacher, your boss, a stranger, a shopkeeper, anyone.
Exactly. Okay, are you ready for part 2? Because part 2 is also amazing.
It really is. Let us go. Welcome to part 2, everyone. And part 2 is called How to Ask Someone to Explain or Repeat in a Better Way.
Yes, so in part 1, we learned simple, short phrases to say when we don't understand. But sometimes just saying, sorry, I didn't understand, is not enough.
Right. Sometimes you need more help. You need the person to explain differently, or give you an example, or use simpler words.
Exactly, and that is totally okay. There is no shame in asking for more help. In fact, it shows that you are serious about understanding.
Yes, smart people always ask questions.
So true. Okay, phrase number 1 of part 2.
Phrase number 1 is, could you explain that in a different way?
Could you explain that in a different way? Everyone say it. Could you explain that in a different way?
Now, this is a very powerful phrase because sometimes the person explains something, but the way they explain it, you still don't get it.
Yes, so you ask them, please explain it differently. Maybe with simpler words, maybe with an example, maybe in a different order.
Exactly. Let us use it in a situation. Imagine your teacher explains a grammar rule, but you are confused. So you say,
Could you explain that in a different way? I'm still a little confused.
and a good teacher will always try again with a better explanation.
Yes, and most people are happy to help. They want you to understand.
Exactly. Okay, phrase number 2.
Phrase number 2 is, what do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that? Say it. What do you mean by that?
Now, this phrase is very direct and very useful.
Yes, sometimes someone uses a word or an expression and you have no idea what it means. So you ask, what do you mean by that?
And they will explain the meaning to you.
Let us use it. Imagine, your friend says, that movie was a real tearjerker. And you think, tearjerker? What is that?
Yes. So you say, what do you mean by tearjerker?
And your friend says, oh, it means the movie was very emotional and made people cry.
Ah, now you understand. Perfect.
See? One simple question, and now you learned a new word too. Double win.
Double win. I love that. Okay, phrase number 3.
Phrase number 3 is, can you give me an example?
Can you give me an example? Everyone, can you give me an example?
Now, this phrase is absolutely amazing for learners.
Yes, because sometimes words and explanations are confusing, but an example makes everything clear.
Exactly. Like if someone explains a word to you, but you still don't get it, just say, can you give me an example? And when you hear it used in a sentence, suddenly everything makes sense.
Yes, examples are like little lights that turn on in your brain.
I love that. Little lights. Let us use this phrase. Imagine someone tells you, use the word exhausted when you are very, very tired, but you want to be sure. So you say,
Can you give me an example?
and they say, for example, after working 12 hours, I was completely exhausted.
And now you know exactly how to use the word.
Perfect. See how powerful that one question is?
Yes. Okay, phrase number 4.
Phrase number 4 is, can you use simpler words, please?
Can you use simpler words, please? Say it with me. Can you use simpler words, please?
Now, this is a very honest and very brave phrase to use.
Yes, it takes a little courage because you are telling the person, your words are too difficult for me.
But that is totally okay. There is no shame in this. Everyone starts as a beginner, and beginners need simpler words.
Exactly. And when you ask for simpler words, you learn better, you understand better, and you improve faster.
Yes, so do not be embarrassed. Just say, can you use simpler words, please?
Let us use it. Imagine someone is explaining something to you with very big, difficult words. You are lost. So you say,
I'm sorry, can you use simpler words, please? I am still learning English.
and adding, I am still learning English, that gives context. The other person immediately understands, oh, okay, let me simplify.
Exactly. Very smart move. Hee hee.
Okay, last phrase. Phrase number 5 of part 2.
Phrase number 5 is, let me make sure I understand. You mean...
Let me make sure I understand. You mean... Everyone say it. Let me make sure I understand. You mean...
Now this phrase is slightly more advanced, but very, very powerful.
Yes, so what you do with this phrase is you repeat back what you think you understood to check if you got it right.
Exactly. This is called checking your understanding, and it is a very smart thing to do.
Yes, because sometimes you think you understood, but actually you got it wrong. So this phrase helps you confirm.
Let us use it. Imagine someone says, the meeting has been pushed back to 3, and you think, pushed back? Does that mean earlier or later? So you say,
Let me make sure I understand. You mean the meeting is now at 3 o'clock, later than before.
and they say, yes, exactly. Or, no, I mean earlier.
Either way, now you know the correct information. No confusion.
No confusion at all. Beautiful phrase.
Yes. Okay, let us review all 5 phrases from part 2.
Phrase 1, could you explain that in a different way? Phrase 2, what do you mean by that? Phrase 3, can you give me an example? Phrase 4, can you use simpler words, please? And phrase 5, let me make sure I understand. You mean...
5 more powerful phrases. And together with part 1, you now have 10 amazing phrases.
10 phrases that will completely change how you handle English conversations.
Yes, no more silent nodding. No more fake smiling.
No more saying yes when the answer is no.
Okay, let us do a very quick full review of everything we learned today.
Yes, from part 1. Sorry, I didn't understand. Sorry, can you say that again? Sorry, I don't follow you. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. And could you speak more slowly, please?
And from part 2, could you explain that in a different way? What do you mean by that? Can you give me an example? Can you use simpler words, please? And let me make sure I understand. You mean...
Yes, 10 phrases, all simple, all polite, all useful in real life.
Practice these phrases every day, and very soon they will come naturally to you. You will not even have to think about them.
Exactly. That is the goal. Natural English. And you are getting there, one video at a time.
Yes, we are so proud of you for watching till the end. That means you are serious about learning, and that is amazing.
It really is. Okay, before we go, please, if this video helped you, give it a big thumbs up. It really motivates us to make more videos for you.
And if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe right now and press the bell icon, all notifications, so you never miss a video. We post Monday to Friday, 5 videos every week.
Yes, and write in the comments which phrase was your favorite today. We read every single comment, and we reply too.
Yes, we love hearing from you, so come say hello in the comments.
Yes, we will see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember,
Your English is getting better every single day.
every single day. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.